Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Microsoft To Do. You click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about To Do app and you click here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Then you can click on Wi-Fi, you can turn off, and then you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.